I found this easy chocolate chip cookie recipe with few ingredients that make soft and chewy bakery-style cookies. You really only need basic ingredients you probably already have at home to make these best chocolate chip cookies. To make these chocolate chip cookies, start by adding 2 1/4 cups or 280 grams of all-purpose flour to the mixing bowl. I always make sure to use this exact amount because it makes cookies that are not too thick or too flat. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt, then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and give the flour a good mix. I like to use a whisk to mix the dry ingredients together because it spreads everything out well and breaks up any little lumps. Next, in a separate mixing bowl, add 1 cup or 226 grams of unsalted butter. Then add 1 cup or 200 grams of brown sugar and half a cup or 100 grams of white granulated sugar. Using an electric mixer, beat these together until the mix looks smooth and a bit fluffy, as you can see here. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add 1 large egg. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and give the ingredients another mix with electric mixer. Mix until everything is well combined, but try not to overmix. About 30 seconds should do it. Next, add dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. I like to add the dry ingredients gradually so it is easier to mix. I usually do this in 2 parts, mixing each time until the flour just disappears. This way the dough stays light and the cookies won't get tough from overmixing the cookie dough. You can use a wooden spoon or the mixer on low speed for this part. Next, add 1 cup of dark or semi-sweet chocolate chips. With a spoon or spatula, carefully fold the chocolate chips in the dough, not too much, as I said. We have to be careful not to overmix the cookie dough. Just a few gentle strokes until the chips are evenly spread throughout. Now, cover the cookie dough with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time firms up the butter and blends flavors while stopping the cookies from spreading too much when baking. Sometimes, I just leave the dough in the fridge overnight. Once the cookie dough has hardened a bit, use your hands or cookie scoop to form balls and place them on a parchment paper covered cookie sheet, leaving some space between each cookie, as you can see in the video here. Bake the chocolate chip cookies in the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes until the edges of the cookies turn a bit golden brown but the middle is still soft. This gives you that perfect cookie texture, crisp around the edges but chewy in the center. The cookies might still look slightly underdone when you take them out, but they will firm up as they cool on the baking sheet. These cookies have soft and chewy center, and the chocolate stays gooey inside. They taste buttery and sweet. I just love to eat them warm from the oven. If you like these chocolate chip cookies, then check out my M&M cookie recipe too. Both recipes are simple to make, but give you different looking cookies. I would love to know which one you prefer after trying both.